Do you want me in the back of you?
No, you're fine.
Or you're taking it?
It's a nature trail through the Mosquito Inlet.
Yay!
Ooh,
Wait.
which path should we choose?
Don't ever go left.
Okay, let's go right then. Apparently this place is rampant with mosquitoes. Oh, jeez, okay,
go
we'll
left.
just keep on going right then. That looks like a house. Bye, Mark! Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh. Found something. Graves. Lighthouse kitties. Are you kidding me? Poor little cats. Oh, wow.
Last one died in 98. Oh, no.
Should have taken a picture of the one that's inside. Got an amphitheater over here. Ooh, baby. There's Mark.
Hi.
Came out of the woods. Still alive. Smells like crap. We need some jungle music.
That's where I came from.
Oh.
Come this way.
Well, that's a way out, though.
Well, fine. Go whichever way you want.
I'm missing the whole left part of the nature trail here.
Hey, it's a big loop. Oh, goodness.
See? This is no nature trail. And there be the lighthouse. Some of the lighthouse villas. Oop. The bridge.
The southern gopher tortoise.
Ooh, baby. What are those things over there? No one knows.
Travis is lost in the woods.
Let's go find him.
Travis!
Oh, honey bun.
Mosquitoes in here.
Jay found the only mosquito in here.
Ew! Oh, dang it. I'm probably getting eaten alive.
Jay found the only mosquito in this place. Where are you guys going?
It's the gay win.
Came from that way. Go down the center.
We want to get lost some more. Ooh, baby.
And
I should have brought my golf really on with me.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Low
Don't
bridge.
drink the water because it's nasty. Easy. We're still drinking out of that damn fountain.
Yes.
That is crazy. They could at least throw a Kool-Aid pouch in it.
What did they say, Jay?
The lady said don't drink out of it. So what that means is that you can actually drink out of that fountain.
Drink out of what?
The fountain that you can actually drink out of. My thing is, big cat that don't drink out of it. Nobody else.
Do 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 do.
I don't think IMAX is such a big deal if they're not shown 3D. They're that huge deal where it's like, oh, it's an IMAX, it's got a 7-story screen. It's like, well, when you're like 150 screen. Same as the other screen.
Oh, that's sweet. You have to stop this and take a picture of that.